So over the past 5 years, there's been millions of downloads and happy users using Vault. And over those 5 years, we've continuously listened to feedback, improved Vault. Today, the most common 2 pieces of feedback that we hear is 1, finding the skills necessary to use Vault is sometimes challenging, and 2, getting up and running with Vault can take a little bit longer than people would like. So we wanted to address these two pieces of feedback. Addressing sort of the getting started with Vault challenge is there's multiple delivery options to use Vault. One is you could continue to use the way Vault's worked since 0.1, which is that you can manage it yourself. You could download Vault, run it on your own infrastructure, and you could run this wherever you want. That's what it's existed up to today. And the second is really thinking about a cloud service and managed Vault. Earlier this summer, we talked about how a cloud-based Vault offering was on the way. And that cloud-based Vault offering would be based on something we call the HashiCorp Cloud Platform. The HashiCorp Cloud Platform is based on 3 main goals. We want to provide push-button deployments of our software. Second, we want all the infrastructure running the software to be fully managed. You shouldn't have to worry about OS patching, spinning up infrastructure, etc. And third, we want to provide one multi-cloud workflow for all our tools. We want this to be able to work across different cloud platforms. And based on HCP, we're proud today to announce HCP Vault on AWS. This is now available in private beta. With HCP Vault, you get these 3 pillars of HCP. The first one is push-button deployments. You log in, name your cluster, choose a network to attach it to, click create, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a full running Vault cluster. All of this is based on fully managed infrastructure. So you don't have to provide any servers or spin up any on your own. We handle all of that for you. We also handle any of the security issues, OS patching, upgrades, etc. associated with that infrastructure. And finally, this is all built for one multi-cloud workflow. That means that while today we're announcing HCP Vault on AWS, all of the features and underpinnings are there to really support a multi-cloud replicated environment in the future. You could see this based on our abstraction of networks in HashiCorp Cloud. In this screenshot, you could see the HashiCorp virtual network and how you could attach a console cluster and a Vault cluster to it. This virtual network tends to live in AWS, but in the future, we'll be able to use this in order to span multiple clouds automatically. The goals of HCP are, by using it, you could get faster cloud adoption. You don't need to spend as much time setting up our software, learning how to operate it, etc. You could click one button and really get it up and running. If you could get our software up and running easier, that'll quickly increase productivity for your own applications. They could begin consuming our software right away. And third, it really gives you that multi-cloud flexibility much more easily. Software like Vault, Console, and others make it much easier to use a common set of APIs to do things like security or networking in a multi-cloud way. And HCP Vault on AWS is available in private beta today. You could sign up for the beta by visiting this URL and requesting access.